What's up guys, welcome back to the next video on learning PHP security. My name is QDS Dani and you guys watching my channel Crosssite. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how we malformed the link, and that malformed links we put the HTML entities to prevent from the attack, cross-site scripting attack. So in this video we again gonna look at the cross-site scripting attack, and you guys by now might be say why it's so scary. Okay, it is scary if your website if your site that you're writing gets compromised. It is scary. Okay, there are two types of cross-site scripting attacks. So the first one is reflected attack, and as we've seen in the lastly, that was the reflect attack, and the hacker they places the script as a link in the submitted data. So hacker places script as a link not on the in the submitted data. The first one we have seen, that one that's called reflected attack, and the user when they put some sort of link here and they present it to you that this link is from Google, for example. They take the Google link and they malform it with, they put some sort of their own script, and they say, look, this is a Google, and when you go, once you guys click that one, you guys gonna redirect to their computer or their site. So and the user must click on this one. User clicks. Okay, and the second one is a persistent attack. That's reflected, and the second one is persistent attack. So this persistent attack, the hacker they put a script as a data that browser displays when the web page loads. So they the hacker puts a script as a as a data. So how they put it as a data, they put it here, and you'll put the script here. As soon as someone opens this one, they're gonna go boom. So imagine if you have a comment section here, and comment section means if we go here on our dashboard, so we go over dashboard.php, and we have a comment here. Don't worry about this because we haven't got a session at the moment, and our session's not this one's not displaying, but we're gonna fix this one once we start session. Okay, so once they put it here, every time you guys put something here, you're going to be in trouble. That means you guys going to get this attack. So they're going to put in this comment section. So as soon as whoever is going to look at this script, they're going to be in danger, in trouble. Okay, so say if you're gonna come here and say our the form here, it says first name and last name. The user is gonna come in simply in our index. So it's still running the script. We should not be doing this. We have to go here in the history, and I'll have to delete everything from the memory because can't remember. Okay, now we can't remember our history because there is nothing in the history. So if you look in here in the history, if you guys want to clean, that's the best way to clean. You guys cleaning the browser, active login, whatever you guys want to do it. So you guys have the option last hour, last 2 hours, today, everything, so forever. So that's what I do. I clean this one all the time. So once you clean it, it's not going to remember anything now. It's like a brand new reset. Okay, so now users gonna come here and they're gonna put their script inside there. So the script is script. So look at here, it says script, and they're gonna put another script, and they're gonna put alert. So the alert, it says you are hacked with XSS, cross-site scripting. Okay, so now the stage is ready and everything is ready inside our input. The user is going to run this, and if you look in here, our site runs this script. It means you are hacked with the XSS. So even if you guys redirect this one to the dashboard, it still is going to run. So you are looking here, it's very dangerous because it keeps running on the on our side. So if you guys remove this one here, HTML entities, and you guys just place the dashboard. So we want to go, so the dashboard.php, because we want our phone to go on the dashboard. So you guys are going to look here, recent, and it's still running because that's inside the memory. And you guys gonna put this one not found because we put something wrong here. We put a dash viewer, something weird here, typo here, and we're gonna come here, resend here. You look in here, it keeps running this script, and that's what I mean. Because if you guys do it here, and if you guys gonna put say script again, that's our nice cross-site scripting, and we're gonna run here, and you're gonna see you guys don't even see anything on the dashboard. All you see is this one, this attack. Very dangerous. You guys seen this one? This is very dangerous. So you guys should not see this one. You guys should avoid when the user gonna put this one. As I said to you guys, security starts with you. Not everyone's nicey. Not everyone's innocent. So you guys need to secure your site. Even if you guys inside where you guys living, you guys should secure the windows and doors of your house, so for the thieves not to come inside your house. Hackers like a thieves. Alright, so now if you look in here, that our site takes a script where we should put some sort of string. We should put say Donald Trump, or say if this is a string. We should not see the hackers, they put a script in our input field, and we're should run the script. So the security starts with us. Okay, so now we're gonna see the sanitizing data. So we're gonna get sanitizing the input data, and then we're gonna see the validation of input data. So you guys looking here, sanitize, just like you guys sanitize in the kitchen, you guys sanitize let's say you guys work in the restaurant, you guys sanitize that place, the counter, the tables where your guests or customers they come and eat, you sanitize that all the time. It's exactly the same as us. We need to sanitize this area. This is like our kitchen, our place of eat, where you guys eat. You guys want to make it perfectly clean, and you guys needs to put a validate the data. You guys, how you guys going to validate this data? Whatever the data comes in, say if you want a string, you should get a string. If you want a number, you should get a number. If you want anything else, you should get that one. You should not get say like this. You should not get, even if you get this one, you shouldn't be running this one. Okay, so we're gonna come here and say now, if you guys look in here now, if you put a register, and it's bam, it's gone. So we should put something to prevent this one from we should sanitize our data. So sanitizing is what is sanitizing the data? Sanitizing is the process of removing invalid characters. So whatever invalid characters we want, what is the invalid character? This is an invalid character. We don't want this less than and greater than, and we don't have this parentheses. We don't want this double quote, and you don't want any of this. So this less than, then there is a slash here. This all part of the script. We don't want any of these letters, and we don't want anything except we want to see say Donald Trump. We want a string like this. We want to say like Joe Biden. We want to see normal names. We don't want to see anything else like this guy is here. We don't want this guy is here. Our greater than, minus than, we don't want these ones. We don't want, all we were interested is like this. And for this one, you guys need to sanitize your data. Whatever data is coming inside your say inside your website. And validation is the process of checking the input it satisfies like us. Like if you have an age, and if you want to say this one, you don't want the last name say it has to be 12. Last name is not 12. That's you guys needs to validate this one. You guys needs to validate this one, and you guys needs to validate this one. So you don't want anything the user put anything weird something inside here. So if you have an age and the user is gonna put a S, it means you guys needs to validate, and you guys should not allow the user to put this. If you have email, and you have say the Joe Blow is gonna come in, says Joe Blow, and it says like say put a plus google.com. so you don't want Joe Blow to use plus, you want so you guys needs to sanitize this one, you guys needs to validate this one. You want Joe Blow to use this, you don't want use Joe Blow to use any other characters. You guys use Joe Blow to use this. So this is called validation. You guys needs to validate, you guys needs to filter. So that's how we do with the filter variables. We do this one with the filter var, and we're going to see how. Okay, so now we're going to come here and we're going to see how we're going to sanitize our data, and later on we're going to see how we're going to filter our data. So the process of the sanitizing, we see we want to sanitize the user data, and that's the first ones we're going to see that HTML special chars. So if you're gonna come here inside the PHP, and we put echo, and it's gonna be HTML, and you're gonna click it here, special chars. This HTML special chars sanitize our data. So look out here, the PHP is so beautiful language, and it helps us. It helps all the hard-working guys working at the PHP headquarters, the creator of the PHP, to make a special function, just in build function for us to use. And through these functions, if you guys plug this here, that no one's can run a script. What you're going to see, all you're going to see, the scripts cannot run. You're going to see the script's going to be here at the bottom somewhere. It's going to destroy the script. And HTML special chars going to work. They're going to neutralize this %, and they're going to neutralize this double quote. They're going to neutralize this single quotation. They're going to neutralize this less than. They're going to neutralize this greater than. So if you guys seen this guys here, our script contains all of these. If you look in our script here, this contains all of these above, all of this here, all of these signs. So HTML special chars comes to the rescue, and you're going to neutralize all. So what you're going to see in you're still going to see the script, but that script's not going to run. So this is just like here, HTML entities prevented sites to go like your URL to script to run on your URL. This one is exactly the same. It's going to prevent this script to run. So your script gonna run. So you like this. So once you guys put it, your script's not gonna run. Okay, so now we're gonna come here, and we're gonna put an echo here, not the dashboard. So we wanna see our form here, and we're gonna put that one back. We're gonna see PHP, and we're gonna see echo, and entities. We're going to see server, and that's going to be PHP self. Okay, so because we want this one to stay here, we don't want this one to move somewhere else. And we're going to come here, we're going to see what's wrong. Alright, so now we're gonna come here. We have done our PHP self, because we want our PHP to come here, and if I run, it submits to itself. Okay, so we're gonna come and plug this is HTML special chars. So the HTML special chars gonna take it's a 4 parts. So you're gonna put a HTML special chars. So the first part, as you guys gonna see, the first part is gonna say string, the second part is gonna say flags, then encoding, then double, then it's gonna say flags. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one here. Flags, then it's gonna take encoding, then it's gonna say double. Then you guys gonna see it's double, very sophisticated. So that's how the HTML special char works. If you guys want to put flags, if you guys want to put encoding, and you guys want to put a double, up to you. But we're gonna try this one here on our first name, which we seen that we run the script on this one. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna plug this one here. So we put, if it said first name, and the first names we're gonna echo the first name, and the first name is gonna, and we're gonna put a first name first, and we put a HTML special char or cars, and we put a first name, post first name inside here, because that's a string we're taking from the user, and we're gonna echo the first. So we're gonna echo first. Okay, and we're gonna do the same on the last. So we're gonna do the last name, so we put a last, and we put a HTML special chars, and we do the post, and it's going to be last name. Now we're gonna echo the last. Okay, so now our first name and last name is ready, and we plug this one in HTML special chars, and looks like it's ready. And we're gonna come here, and we looks like 105. We forgot the semicolon, and the semicolon here as well. We're checking for the semicolon, all good. Okay, so now we're gonna run a script, and we're gonna check, and you're gonna see that our script did not run, but our script showing here. So how about we run the script here again? So we put a script, we're gonna copy that one, last name, and we're gonna see this one, we're gonna say script, and you're gonna see that the script's showing here. It's not running a script, it's just showing the script. So it just convert this string just like a normal, like say Donald, and the last name is Trump, and you're gonna see that it's just like this. Now it's converted you guys seen this one, that's HTML special character or chars, converted the first name and the last name, even though the first name was a script, was this one, and the last name was also a script, was this one. So if you guys seen here, we have displayed the Donald and the Trump, and now we put a script, and you're going to see that the script just neutralize the script. Our script is not running. So if you're looking at the back, as we said that looking here, that is converted all this uppercase, lowercase, and that's a quote, your quote, and that's another quote, double quote, and that's a script, and that's, you guys seen this one, this all script here, that's the remaining of your script, whatever script here, because now this is a literal string. this is not executable, because you just have this is just a normal, like you guys putting on a piece of paper. So this is the same. If you guys, for as far as HTML concerned, HTML says, look, this is not a script, this is just a string, normal string with this words and whatever here, because you guys put this one HTML special chars or cars. So as soon as you guys put this one is with your special chars or cars, and it's gonna come in and you're gonna neutralize this script. So now you guys seen this one, our website is secure, the website is not running anything on the screen. So that's how the as I said, the security starts with you. You are the only one responsible for your website. And if you guys working for someone or a company or a big company like Twitter or any other like a Google, you're the one responsible. And you guys make sure you guys remember all this security. So you guys putting it inside the your clients or your company's website. So because you guys learning the PHP, and you guys should be aware there is a lot of attacks inside the PHP. You guys needs to be aware that you guys gonna combat all this attack with the HTML special chars and HTML entities. And HTML special chars takes a lot of say here the flags. And as I said to you guys, that's a flags. If you guys want, that's for the future videos, you guys can pass a flags. And the first one is going to be ENT compat, and there's going to be ENT codes. You guys can pass a lot of flags. So here you guys can this one you guys can put your string, and you guys can pass a lot of flags here. You can put like that and say ENT, then you guys can pass all the ENT here. Say you guys want to say ENT code, you guys can do that. You guys can pass this one. But at the moment, because you guys learning, you guys needs to know only about the strings, how it works with the strings, and how we sanitize the data with the string, and how it works. Alright guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we're gonna go on validation of user input, how you guys gonna validate this one, how you guys gonna, because we've seen how we're gonna sanitize the data, and we're gonna see how we're gonna validate the user input. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.